you've complained that I don't think ahead of the household work.
से क्यों पूछ रहा है? रख देना, दिख रहा है तो तेरा भी घर उतना ही है जितना मेरा घर है. But
When I have done it my way, you've complained that why have you done it this way? That is why
you probably did it the wrong way. What you did wasn't helpful overall.
What?
I solved that problem. That's why you probably don't face it. Consistently have excuses. You're like मैं ये करता मैं वो करता. कपड़े धो तू, ठीक है? कपड़े धो.
मैं धोता हूँ, सुखाता भी हूँ. क्या बात कर रही है?
I feel in general men have to step up. Automatic,
Yes. अब डालना बोलना भी नहीं पड़ता उसे, वो ऑटोमेटिकली पिंक कप में ओटमेल डाल देता है.
Next time बोलना कि I didn't tell you which is which. Why you assume?
Sorry.
Those in pink.
I'm not gaslighting you.
Only girls like.
Or only girls like pink.
Yeah, what do you mean? Pink is mine, the blue is my vibe.
Oh. Yeah.
Never gonna happen. Who likes girl who likes matcha, girl who likes coffee, girl who likes pink and glitter.
Yeah.
I'm not one of them, and I'll be like. भीड़ में जो लड़कियां मैं I'm that person. वाह, आंखें खुली मेरी यार.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm not addicted to coffee.
Sure. I'm just heavily dependent on
once a day, and I needed to get up. And I needed to clear my mind. But other than that,
I'm not addicted.
it's fine. I'm not addicted. Okay. Today's question. My husband and I both work full time, but I've naturally become the one managing most of the day-to-day home meals, groceries, keeping track of what's running out, what needs to get done, and just making sure everything runs smoothly. I don't even feel like I can switch off, and it's exhausting. I don't know if this is unfair or if this is just how relationships work. But how do you define 50-50 when the effort doesn't look the same?
Wow.
This is such a complicated thing. Like, I've always found it complicated because
It's like she picked this question right out of our relationship and like thoda sa brought it. Like,
this is never a conversation in our relationship.
never been?
Where have we ever spoken about कौन कितना क्या कर?
No, but like we always are negotiating, right? Like we're always negotiating as to कौन, मतलब, you know, can you do this? You
But
this
it is never from the point of view of keeping score.
हाँ, for sure.
कभी भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब अच्छा मैंने ये किया तो तूने वो किया तो तूने वो नहीं किया. वैसा नहीं. It's like, hey, can you do that? Like, हाँ, I can. Okay, I can't. अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं फिर क्या कर सकते. Like it never ends in a bad place.
हाँ.
It's always like कि कौन कर रहा है. Do you ever feel like you do too much?
No, but I feel that you might be feeling that
I do too much.
yeah.
I genuinely don't do enough. I feel I should be doing more in general. मेरा issue कुछ और है. But the thing is, like, if you ask this question, then you are already unhappy.
Yeah.
And the thing is, 50-50 बहुत ही stupid argument. It's a stupidest relationship argument. It's like two 10-year-olds in a relationship, you know, घर खेल. Because 50-50 क्या है लाइफ में?
Yeah.
एक चीज बता दो, इतने ही मतलब हम सब इतने ग्रेट है, 50-50 चल रहा है सब. Relationship is never 50-50. Never. It is always like 70-30, 90-10 भी होता है यार. कभी कभी कोई बीमार है तुम्हारा पार्टनर तो पूरा सब तुम पे आ गया. तुम ये गिनाओगे क्या उसको बाद में? But wait, in this scenario, because a woman has written it.
What?
No, because she's saying वो भी काम करती है तो वो घर पे भी काम कर. Which has been the case, right? Like all our mothers have slogged their ass off.
Yeah.
Just doing housework. But at least at that time, पापा लोग सिर्फ बाहर का काम करते थे, which can still be. No, actually, even that is not 50-50. dads were still doing less. You know why?
Why?
Because growing a child and rearing children is 100% task.
हाँ.
On top of that, you have to do the entirety of housework. कितना काम है, like घर का काम is never ending. At least when you get to go to the office, you have a time, 9 to 5. You have a friend circle. You build self-esteem. You know, you get weekends off. Those women are not getting it. If children are involved, then I don't think it's ever 50-50. The woman is doing way too much already. Like the guy has to step up in that regard.
जितना unpaid labor moms का लिया जाता है ना, it's like unpaid and unrecognized. Like it's not even seen as कि they are doing actual work. It's the only time when you'll realize it is when अगर तुम foreign देशों में जाओ and you try and hire a nanny, then you'll know the worth of, you know, actually वो effort का कितना cost है. Exactly.
I mean, when the 50-50 conversation is happening, right? I always see women end up saying that I put a lot of like emotional labor into the relationship.
हाँ.
In a way, you know, like because तुम अगर plan कर रहे हो पूरा अपना घर, that's a lot of emotional labor. It's not just even doing it. Even if you have a maid, managing her is also labor. It's emotional labor from your side.
Yeah.
You know, so guy cannot be like मैं पैसा कमा के आ रहा हूँ तो मैंने अपना 50% कर लिया ना. Bro, it's 2026. मैं भी पैसा कमा रही हूँ. Find different excuses now or like get to work because it's just not fair. It's completely unfair. I think this is a very big red flag to me. If a guy is just coming and chilling, not doing anything, and the girl is doing pura ghar ka kaam and also doing bahar ka kaam.
I agree. But you know, इसमें भी nuances हैं in the past between us. Like, you know, it has happened that you've complained that I don't think ahead of the household work. Like that is like the chief complaint कि मतलब grocery खत्म हो रही है, fridge साफ करना है, like smaller thing.
Yeah, like अरे मैं ये रख दूँ यहाँ पे, मैं ना मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहा है? रख देना, दिख रहा है तो तेरा भी घर उतना ही है जितना मेरा घर है. But somehow I am the boss of household things. I've never taken up that job.
हाँ, but it's also because when I have done it my way, you've complained that why have you done it this way? That is why
Because you probably did it the wrong way.
हाँ, so then there is a right way and wrong way, right?
इतना सा दूध इतने बड़े तपेली में रखा है ना.
अरे
Like things like that.
Picking on finer points, which मतलब इतना बड़ा पतीला नहीं होगा, maybe थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा, but even then you had an issue. तो
Because then और 5 चीज नहीं घुस रही ना फ्रिज में, तो एंड में मुझे जाके उसको छोटे में डालना पड़ रहा है because I have 5 different things to put in the fridge. So what you did wasn't helpful overall. End of the day, it's not a helpful thing. You can't be like मैंने कर दिया तो helpful हो गया. सोच लेना थोड़ा सा एक और step आगे कि अच्छा ये क्यों किया मैंने? Why have I put little milk in this? How will other things fit in? That is the thing. That is the emotional labor. That is about being in tuned with everything.
Rashmi, we've never had a situation जबकि फ्रिज में जगह नहीं हो रखी.
And then
You have nitpicked.
liar.
You have-
I solved that problem. That's why you probably don't face it. We have a space issue in the fridge. नहीं fit होता है. मैं constantly वो.
I also solve it. I also throw out stuff.
क्योंकि तूने परसों पहली बार.
Because you like to hoard stuff. You like to.
I don't like to throw food. देखो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, खाना फेंक दिया.
Yeah.
Well, like think that, well, wash. I have to finish food. I can't throw it.
On my end also there are things that only exclusively I do, and you know you have no part in that. Like all our credit card bills are just paid by me.
Yeah.
You never look. I don't think you even know the password for our credit card कि उसको कैसे करना है.
Yeah, I don't care. I know I should.
But that is also mental labor, right? Like
Yeah,
I have to remember that health insurance every year. I am the one who's making sure that
Yeah,
we are not.
good. You're
Honest.
keeping us alive. I appreciate that. I appreciate it.
हाँ,
Keep us alive. I know.
you know, this is the funniest thing. There was this one time Rashmi had such a big thing कि हमें Swiggy से order नहीं करना है. We have to give our money to local vendors. Okay, so initially क्या होता था? I used to go down and get the sabzi. Then one time Rashmi and I, we had like थोड़ा सा झड़प. I said मैं भी ये करता हूँ. I only exclusively go down and get the saman. Next day onwards, we were getting Swiggy ordered.
I have to wear a bra to go down, which I do not want to do
No,
it. चार लोग देखते हैं, फिर भैया देखता है. I get too conscious with that social interaction. That's why I don't get it, Anand.
I know, Papa. I'm not complaining. Have I ever said no to doing it? You asked me ever. I've never said no.
Yeah, I don't say no, but suddenly you're complaining about
I'm not complaining. I'm saying that is also unrecognized.
Yeah, that's clear. I'm saying, is that equal to all the other housework? Is that equal to bringing up a child? Is that equal to even like getting pregnant and delivering a child? I'm just saying not all work is the same.
For sure.
I mean, that is what I'm saying. Na नीचे जाके सब्जी ले ली is not equal to like managing the entire house. So यही तो वो कह रही है कि मतलब like you consistently have excuses. You're like मैं ये करता हूँ, मैं वो करता हूँ.
But it's not excuses. It is also like trying to say that there are exclusive domains where guys also work. That is about the
How
point.
many and how big are those?
Quite a
Taking
few.
care of the house and taking care of the kids are such big tasks.
I agree.
You take up my thing, I'll take up your thing.
ठीक है.
Yeah, let's do that. If it is so like, oh my god, I'll pay the bills, I'll pay the credit card bills. मैं सब्जी ले आऊंगी कपड़े पहन के, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
तू तीनों बार का खाना देख and तू बना भी.
खाना.
And you make sure things are there, the fridge is clean and
You know,
do
खाना.
all of that. कपड़े धो तू, ठीक है? कपड़े धो.
मैं धोता हूँ, सुखाता भी हूँ. क्या बात कर रही है?
बहुत रिसेंटली बिकॉज मैं देखो 5 सालों से बोल रही हूँ तू भी बटन प्रेस कर सकता है. I have to decide.
तू बटन प्रेस करती है. जनरली मैं ही सुखाता हूँ. What are you talking about?
वनीता सुखाती है जनरली.
मैं सुखाता
वो
हूँ.
तू
Before
take
Vanita.
that up by yourself only.
हाँ.
Because you're like, हाँ, I'm saying.
And plants also. Too better.
Okay. And you want me to put water in plants?
Yes. I don't know what I am.
Now you're nitpicking, no?
Ari, they'll die.
You're saying that the tasks that I do
हाँ. Nothing.
are equal to the tasks that you do. है ना?
Yes.
Maybe for us that is still fine. I think I agree with it.
Okay.
For us, because we don't have kids, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like if you add the kids to this, it is a completely unequal scenario.
For sure. If you add kids to this, then you've done 500 times more work than I have.
Thank you.
I'm not even.
I'm saying thank you. Like, kind of. Yeah, but you know what this woman is writing,
Yeah.
what she wrote,
Yeah.
says that मैं घर का काम करती हूँ प्लस मैं बाहर का काम करती हूँ. I'm sure if she'll end up having kids, वो बच्चों का भी ख्याल रखेगी. So it is not 50-50 at all. I feel in general men have to step up. Because men come to 50-50 only financially. They're like मेरा पैसा भी ले रही है वो. उसके अलावा उनके पास कोई conversation ही नहीं.
I agree.
Like
Yeah.
it is an unfair world. Like you have to be smart to see that. You will find a better partner if you are honest with yourself.
Yeah.
And you will get a better partnership also. Like
No.
how do we make sure that none of us are overly stressed? देखो क्या चाहिए मैं हेल्प करता हूँ मुझे क्या चाहिए तू हेल्प कर. Like it's just about having that conversation. End of the day, like we argue, but we are not forcing anyone to do anything, and we always help each other.
But in terms of actually coming down to what is your work, what is my work, where both people don't feel stressed, what is a way to go about it? What do you think?
I just feel like just talk it out. Like it's a partnership, right? You
Yeah.
negotiate your tasks. You're like मुझे पसंद है तुझे पसंद है तो ये करते हैं ये किसी को नहीं पसंद है तो how do we tackle this?
Correct.
How do we decide it? अच्छा ये बिल्कुल तेरे को नहीं करना मतलब just talk it out. Like because if you care about your partner, if you love your partner, you would want to make their life easy, right?
Yeah. In this girl's case, where she feels like
हाँ सब उसी को करना पड़ता.
सब उसी को करना पड़ रहा है, so what is the advice that you will give her?
I will tell her to have a chat with the guy and say that I feel like मैं सब कुछ करती
हाँ
and you know, because I'm also earning money but I'm doing all of the housework.
हाँ
So why not we divide the house chores? Like
correct.
let's just divide it. If I'm cooking तो तू clean कर ले, तू ये 4 चीज manage कर ले, मैं 4 चीज manage करती हूँ. Have a negotiation there and see how the person reacts. If they don't react well, then that's a misogyny problem, that's a laziness problem, right? And it's not the right partner for you.
Correct.
But if that partner is responding well and be like, oh मैंने नहीं सोचा था, I'm so sorry, I'll try to help you, then problem solved है. तो I feel end of the day बात करने से पता चल जाता है, आर्या पार हो जाती है बातें. You engage the other person. And it's very, very important to do that because it's not worth it. You don't want to be an old, bitter, you know, person who hates everyone and everything.
Thank you.
Just.
Thank you.